Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a cartoon from my book, Cartoon Faces, which you can get everywhere. And I hope you will get it. So this one is about how to draw a teacher. This is a funny drawing of a teacher, and I'd like to show you how to do it. It's a lesson basically in character design. So let's start with an interesting head shape. This head shape is not found in nature, but it's found in my book. So instead of it starting with a circle or an oval or an egg, we're going to take it to this shape, which is really something you'll see often in professional cartoons. It's a commonly used starting point, or something like it. And here is the center line, and here higher on the head is the eye line. Okay, we're going to bring the ear down this way very low because it's a funny look in itself, and I'll darken this all in after I'm done. So let us now add along the eye line these kind of severe glasses that are flat on top and come to almost a point on the edges here. All right, and we'll give them a funny little nose, ends in a point. You can hurt yourself with a nose like that. One second, I'll bring this mouth up a little higher. And here is the upper lip. And below that, he's got an overbite, is the lower lip, like that. But we'll also add a little chin to it. Now that we have the glasses idea in place, let's lose the interior guidelines, including the guidelines about the head. Now I have some circles floating for the eyes. And little eyebrows brought together here. That's always a funny way to make eyebrows. Bring them close to the nose. Now we are going to add the hair on. Not just follow the shape. We're going to add hair on like this. Going to add it in the front, kind of flatten it out. Give them kind of a crew cut here, bring it around the back here, and then straight here. I'm going to flatten it in front here, and bring it around to the ear. So again, so we don't get confused, let's take out the guidelines. Here is the collar. Might as well give him a little bit of a bow tie. And kind of a slouch. And the arm of the glasses comes like this. It's kind of float out there. All right, now let's do this in black and white and see how it goes. All right, nice bold glasses, because we're not using eyeballs inside the glasses, so they serve as the eyes themselves. So they've got to be bold. I want to show you something too. Just kind of nice look to it because it kind of flows all the way down. That's one line all the way down. This is a one line all the way down. So that's a good thing to look for in your character design. Getting something that you can capture the viewer's eye with, and it'll follow that part of the design. Nose, fun little upper lip. A fun little but smaller lower lip. Little triangles here for the eyebrows. And now let's be bold with this line, because part of the fun is the outline of the face. So we don't want to be light with it. We want to be bold with it and show the viewer that we got a lot of flow in this. Okay, here we go. Same thing here. All the way around, as if you were drawing right through that bow tie. Okay, now let's draw that. Nice and sharp, kind of graphic. All that flow we contrast with this pointy bow tie. Contrast keeps the viewer awake. It does. It keeps your viewer going, oh, that's interesting. Even if they don't say it, they see it. Okay, there's that kind of crew cut type thing. And let's add a few striations of the hair. Make him worried. Maybe he forgot his homework for the day. Okay, there you go. Let's take a look at how close we came. A little different expression, but it's pretty close. I always change it a little bit as I go along because I do some things that are spontaneous, but it's a good starting place, and the basic principles are all there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. There's so many steps in this book. I think you would really like it, Cartoon Faces. And I hope you subscribe. I have new videos every Monday. So thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.